I'm Nathan, Director of Operations here at Grill Hero, Canada's largest barbecue cleaning and repair service. Grill Hero launched here in our hometown of Oakville as Canadian Barbecue Boys back in 2016 with the mission of helping homeowners get the most out of their grilling experience. Our goal is to service and clean over 1 million barbecues, and we're quickly on track with over 20,000 already. Our core offerings start with barbecue cleaning that stretches to barbecue service and repair. We have access to hundreds of thousands of parts through our online retail store where you can purchase yourself or we'll purchase for you. We also offer a top-to-bottom extensive oven cleaning service for your residential ovens. On top of that, we have our commercial cleaning services. That includes golf clubs, fire stations, police stations, restaurants. Anything you can name, we can do. Our key focus is to help you get the most out of your grilling experience. We do this by improving the lifetime and longevity of the grill, improving the performance through our deep cleanings, as well as providing you with a safe cooking space to operate and cook on. We do this by removing all of that grease and grime in the firebox, on the hood, on the grates that we find, and removing any rodent droppings that we may find in the grill as well. We want to make sure at the end of the service, your barbecue is good as new. This means it's free from flare-ups, it has even heat distribution, and it's clean. The best way to contact us is either through phone, email, or visiting our website, grillhero.com, and filling out a form submission. One of our sales reps will give you a call, shoot you an email, and provide you with a free quote and estimate for your job. The great thing about our booking process is that it's quick and easy. As soon as you're connected with a sales rep, all they need is your barbecue make and model, your address, and when the most convenient time is for you. We can provide you with a quote and a date within 30 seconds. The best part about the service is that you don't actually have to be home for the cleaning. As long as we have access to the barbecue, we can get in there, get the job done, and leave the place cleaner than we found it. We'll then provide a before cleaning assessment, going through all the key areas of the barbecue, making sure that if there's anything that you need, we can address that before the cleaning. Next, we're gonna lay down a large 10 by 10 tarp, making sure that we're covering all of your personal items and making sure that none of that grease and debris is flying anywhere. And now we'll get into the barbecue cleaning process, where we'll do a top to bottom deep cleaning of all of your interior components and a full exterior cleaning of the grill as well. We make sure not to miss your burner tubes, your burner holes, making sure you have even heat distribution, your flavorizer bars, and especially those grates. For final touches, we'll focus on the model-specific areas of the grill. Cabinets, side panels, drawers, and then we're gonna finish it off with a full exterior polish, making sure your barbecue is as close to brand new as we can possibly get it. After the job is complete, to ensure customer satisfaction, we're gonna be sending you an after-job survey as well as a report detailing everything that happened in that job with attached before and after photos showing your sparkling grill. Grill Hero is going to guarantee two things. The first is that we're going to send out a trained and insured technician every time. The second is that it's customer satisfaction guaranteed 100% of the time. To get started, you can visit our website, grillhero.com, or call us at 1-877-359-5804.